In this video, we will look at the top 5 best digital electric smoker available in the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching testing, and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality features and values by narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Dyna Glow Digital Electric Smoker. Dyna Glow has a limited line of smokers, with this electric model arguably the best of the bunch. The rugged housing is finished in a muted matte black, ensuring the smoker enhances the patio or deck rather than cluttering it up. If you're looking for a high-capacity electric smoker, you'll appreciate the 732 square inches of cooking space at your fingertips here. Despite this, the smoker isn't too bulky. It does weigh over 60 pounds, though wheels or casters would be a nice extra. Instead, this smoker sits on a height-adjustable stand. The temperature control system means using this smoker is a case of push-button simplicity. All you need is the patience to wait for the succulent results. As with all smoking recipes, this could take the better part of the day. Loading your wood chips through the door at the side rather than needing to open the main door of the smoker. Overall, you'll find that Dyna Glow delivers a flexible and user-friendly outdoor smoking experience, and you won't need to take out a bank loan to afford it either. Number 4. Bradley BTD S76P Food Smoker. With more racks than most people need, the Bradley smoker is great for those who like to cook in bulk. Its control systems are digital and modern, while its design is somewhat simpler and more modest, lending to its long-standing durability. This 4-rack smoker is a great choice for those who love the taste of smoked food. It's made of high-quality stainless steel and is bolstered by its sturdy, rectangular shape. As we said, it has 4 racks, which means that it can fit an impressive amount of food inside of it. Each rack is coated in a non-stick material that resists rust and prevents food from being left behind on the grate. Its controls are fully digital and easy to use. The smoker can provide up to 8 hours of continuous smoke with the ability to go as high as 320 degrees. This range will cover almost every type of meat and smoke you may have. It poses a low risk of fire and can withstand rainy weather, maintaining its internal temperature even when the external temperatures begin to drop. Number 3. Char-Broil Digital Electric Smoker. Char-Broil makes good electric smokers, designed for those who love the classic taste of smoked food but also love to adapt and benefit from new technologies. This smoker uses an 800-watt heating element and can regulate between 100 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Its insulated double-wall construction makes it highly efficient in maintaining the heat in its 725 square inch smoking chamber. You also get 4 adjustable racks, a removable probe, and a digital control system that lets you smoke any meat like an expert, right from day one. Number 2. Cuisinart Electric Smoker. Cuisinart makes some first-class appliances that don't cost the earth, and this pocket-friendly electric smoker is well worth popping on your shortlist. The first thing that strikes you about this smoker is how good it looks. But we know you're not buying one of these things based on appearance. Fortunately, the COS 330 doesn't disappoint in terms of performance. Packing a 1500-watt heating element, you have all the power you need on demand. You can smoke your favorite foods from 100F through 400F, giving you plenty of versatility. Inside, the spacious cooking area spans almost 550 square inches. You can create the cooking environment that suits using the 3 chrome-plated racks. These are removable and easy to keep clean. You can even pop the racks in the dishwasher if you fancy hands-free cleanup. Although you get plenty of cooking real estate inside the smoker, it's reasonably lightweight and easy enough to maneuver around the yard if required. Despite the budget pricing, you'll benefit from a 3-year limited warranty, removing any niggling concerns at the point of purchase. Number 1. Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker. Masterbuilt 30-inch is an electric smoker for beginners. It is easy to use. Just unbox and start smoking your favorite meat. Want to crank out BBQ without worrying about charcoal or gas issues? Have a look at Masterbuilt 30-inch Digital Electric Smoker. When it comes to building quality, Masterbuilt is second to none. The interior is aluminum-made, too. These materials are super easy to clean. It features a digital control panel that allows you to set your cooking temperature between 10 to 175 degF. The panel function doesn't stop here. It also houses the power on/off option, cook time option, and lots more, all for your convenience. All it cost was just to plug the Masterbuilt into an electric source. Now, you have to be careful when selecting this electric smoker, as it comes in different models.